Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2019 Peugeot 3008 Allure. Now this is the 1.2 silky smooth petrol engine and it's got the must-have automatic gearbox. Now this car is finished in the pearlescent white metallic paint and that is in gorgeous order. I do like metallic paint on Peugeots, especially pearlescent, lovely colour. And the car then is sat on the 18-inch bi-colour alloy wheels. Now these particular Allures, they're fully loaded, so we've got privacy glass in the rear, we've got reversing camera, parking sensors on the front and on the rear. And then when you look around it, you can tell it's been really well cared for. Paintwork on the corners is all in lovely order. We've got the chrome detail in that diamond style encrusted grille with the Peugeot lion in the middle, but everything about it is in lovely condition. Now as I say, we've got reversing camera, we've got parking sensors, we've got Bluetooth telephone, satellite navigation. These cars, the Allure models, are fully loaded. Now when we take a look at the paintwork, it's in lovely condition. All the chrome work is all in super shiny. The black gloss detailing around the windows then comes into this sort of aluminium, and the aluminium roof bars also just finish that look. Now these are a fantastic family car. So the 3008 is a 5-seater vehicle. Lovely big size boot on these also. When you take a look in there, you can fit everything in from a growing family. We've got a 12-volt charger. These handles drop the seats down, and then underneath the boot floor we do have the space saver spare wheel. Now that boot floor then can drop down so you can have a deeper boot as well if you need to carry further higher things, or if you want to use it as a secret storage compartment, you can do that as well. Paintwork again on the driver's side is in lovely condition. Everything is in super order, a testament to the previous keeper's care, this car. Now all our cars are highly presented and detailed, so we get them as good as we possibly can, bearing in mind that the car is, I suppose, a 4-year-old vehicle. Now this car's got 2 keys, it's got 4 stamps in the service book, will be serviced before it leaves Wigan at Alpha Motors' service department. We've got internally a very high spec car, 4 electric windows, power folding door mirrors, there's little black light flashes there which is your blind spot monitoring system. We get these lovely grey and black charcoal style half leather interior, the slightly smaller steering wheel with that i-cockpit that Peugeot have pioneered throughout the range, and it seems that all the manufacturers are copying this now, to be funny. So they've obviously doing something right. Now, lovely car, 25,512 miles. In this car then the seats are really comfortable, lovely throughout. We've got Android Auto, Mirror Link, Apple CarPlay there. All these little buttons here will change the screen, or you can touch the screen and go for the options on there, but this one's simple here. So there's your music, DAB radio, you've got climate control, air conditioning, we've got satellite navigation as well, which is easy to see and read. We've got the car details, so help changing lane, that's, we can put that on like that, so we've got them all on. So the automatic headlamp dip, you can go through the system then. With the apps, you can connect your phone and then what's on your phone comes on the screen. We've got Bluetooth searching, and that's all on this control panel here. Now this is an automatic vehicle as well, but we do have the paddles on the steering wheel if you care to drive it as a manual, or what we class as semi-automatic. There's no clutch, but it just changes gear as you press them. Multifunction steering wheel, and then we've got automatic headlamps, we've got cruise control, we've got the automatic wipers as well. So pretty much everything in here is automatic. Very nice cabin, the cockpit and the grey cloth runs through. The passenger seat again is in perfect order. This is a non-smoker car. I don't smoke, and I can tell that the last keeper was again also not a smoker. Select and reverse gear, we get the reversing camera then with the parking lines, and then the parking sensors appear on the vehicle. Very nicely done, if you don't mind me saying so. We always sell these pretty much instantaneously. They're a very highly sought after car. 1.2 petrol engine, capable of well over 50 miles to the gallon. but then with the versatility in the room that this car has. So we've got the Isofix seats, the cloth and the leather mix in the rear to make the cabin such a wonderful ambient environment for any passenger. But what more can you say there? So you've got a mini SUV without the running costs of an SUV. Arguably now Peugeot are setting the standard yet again in family hatchbacks, and this one is no excuse whatsoever with it. It's wonderful. As I say, benchmark these cars now. Take a look at all the manufacturers. They're all going for this similar style with the iCockpit and that smaller steering wheel, but a lovely package. Everything about it I can say is in super condition. So we've got 2 keys, it's HPI clear, it's full book pack, 4 services, and we'll service it as well before it leaves us. So if you'd like any more info, I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dom. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. Give us a call here in Wigan. Check out our reviews, check out our social media. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.